Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am doing a plan with me for the week of March 26th through April 1st, which is of course Easter and April Fool's Day. So I had a whole lineup and was getting ready to do my planner yesterday and realized it was in fact Easter. So I had to switch it up and find an Easter layout that I liked, and I chose this. Super cute artwork. Look at the bunnies. Is it focusing? This is from Sky at mylifeplanners.com, and this is the 2-page PDF that she provides. And I have, looks like this is really not focusing. I don't know why. I downloaded her PDF files, and then I uploaded them into my Cricut, and I printed them into stickers, which look like these. So cute. Now, I didn't make a sticker out of each piece of artwork. I just kind of picked out the ones that I knew I was going to use, and I just made those into stickers so I wouldn't waste a lot of sticker paper. I am practicing trying to use a little bit more white space in this planner. But look at those adorable bunnies. And I love the Easter eggs. We're not focusing, huh? And I think I've pulled out this washi, this glitter washi. I think I'm going to use these, but we'll see. So let's get started. Happy Easter week, and pull up your chair, get your happy planner or whatever kind of journal or project you want to work on, and let's listen to some music and let's get some decorating done. they're all done. I think it came out beautiful. I have all of my Easter stickers. I've got my functional stickers. This is it. This is everything that's going to happen before the pen, and I think it turned out beautiful. I hope you like it. I hope it inspires you a little bit, maybe do something fun. If you want to see her stickers, I will have a link for her below. But thank you for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave some comments or questions below. I love to hear what you guys are up to. If you use some of the same resources for free planner stickers that I do, or if you have suggestions or anything, just start a conversation. So thank you again. Have a wonderful Easter, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys.